Hello everyone and welcome to the weekend edition of Viral Stocks Talks Charts. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of viralstocks.io, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, QQQ, GLD, ARKK, TSLA, RIVN, LCID, NIO, DKNG, FUBO, BBIG, and STEM. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Viral Stocks and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at viralstocks.io/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to viralstocks.io or viralstocks.io/sign up. This is where you can sign up to get our free penny stock alerts. We do these at the opening bell. We scan every morning looking for penny stocks trading on the NASDAQ and NYSE only, with catalysts, with low floats, and possible short squeeze candidates. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, since we release our profiles right at the opening bell. This way, everyone has a fair chance to get in. Robinhood does not allow pre-market trading. Webull does. This is why we do it right at the opening bell, to give everyone the same advantage and make it an even playing field. You can also click the red download ebook. This is the Viral Stocks Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from viralstocks.io. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Crazy week. Russia invaded Ukraine. A lot of uncertainty in the world. A lot of people stayed on the sidelines. The purpose of today's video is to talk to you about charting and some of the tools that we use. One of the main tools that I use is finviz.com, finviz.com. They have a real-time service that's $39.95 a month. That is their elite package. And what's so important about Finviz is they have all the trend lines already drawn for you, and you could watch it in real time. For a lot of new people just getting into the markets or new to charting, they look at the chart and it after the fact, it's like, yeah, that makes sense, or I understand why a stock went up or why the index went down, but that doesn't provide you with actionable info or that you can profit on. And the purpose of today's video is to go through these charts and to talk to you about using trend lines, moving averages. Keep it simple, stupid. The KISS system works. It is what I am a firm believer of. And as you'll see in these charts, there was just a lot of no-brainer opportunities this week. First up is the SPY. If you look at this major trend line from all the way back in August, you go through October, and it comes right to the 410 level, which coincides with this other trend line from December. So that was major support, and you look right there, it held the 410, and the market rallied off of that. And people are asking, well, what happened on Friday? The markets kept going up. What can't go lower must go higher. And if you look at the other major indices, the same thing happened on QQQ, and then on GLD, which a lot of money was flowing into GLD, a lot of scared money. People were like, oh, buy gold in times of uncertainty. You got this major resistant line, which GLD ran right above 182. And that was your signal to get out. So, try to not focus too much on fundamentals. Fundamentals are important. The best trade is when your fundamentals and technicals line up. But I'm not going to get into the fundamentals today. I want to show you guys again how you could profit from these opportunities. And FinViz $39.95. It's such a tremendous deal, and it's right there for you guys. It shows you where to get long, where to get out, and if you really just stick to the charts and not get caught up in the emotional aspect of what's coming out of the financial news media, what's going on FinTwit, it will make your life a lot easier, a lot simpler, and more profitable. And that's what it all comes down to. Guys, I'm in the P&L business. It's all about making money. I don't care about diamond hands, paper hands. That's BS. You want to get into that stuff, you're going to go broke. Especially if you have a small account. If you have a big account, you can play the diamond hands, paper hands stuff because you have the cash, the capital to ride it out, but most people don't. So, the purpose here at viralstocks.io is to help you guys with small accounts grow it into big accounts. And it's so important that you learn these trading basics. And that's why if you sign up, you get the viralstocks.io guide to penny stocks. We talk about all this in our ebook. So this is a big help to all of you. ARKK, the Cathie Wood ETF. I mean, this is a trend line, strong support all the way right down here, and the low of 57.50 went right there. So basically, on Thursday, these trend lines held, and that was a signal that risk on, meaning, go into stocks, risk on assets, the risk off assets like GLD, they all came off. They all sold off. So opportunities, it was just a tremendous week when it comes to trading big caps. In terms of small caps, my colleague Brendan talked about what's going on the small caps in his video this weekend. I suggest you go and check that one out. It's called All In, 3 penny stocks to triple ASAP, 300% gains coming. Great video, talks a lot about some small caps, CEI, ENSV, and IMPP. Next up, guys, is Tesla. Again, 700 was the key number. These are the two trend lines drawn right there. Again, another no-brainer opportunity. And also, if you were a Tesla bull, you see these trend line resistance right at 1200. It was drawn major resistance. That was your signal to get out. And it's also important, use these trend lines not just for buying, but knowing where to get out, where to book your profits. I think a lot of people are good buyers of stocks. They're just bad sellers. And that's, getting a lot of emails, chatting with our tens of thousands of subscribers. A lot of people send us stuff, and that's their biggest problem. So learn to buy dips, sell rips, and book profits along the way. Next up is RIVN, popular EV player along with Tesla. I mean, it's just a double bottom, huge support right here. We got a bounce on Thursday off of this. Keep your eye on RIVN. Next up is Lucid. Again, right here, major trend line from September. It came right to that support just above the $20 level. We got a nice bounce there. But next up is one of my favorite EV plays, NIO. This one has just gotten beaten up way too much. It's down 62% from its 52-week highs. Just made a new 52-week low of 1847. Major trend line here. That held. We're running into some trend line resistance at 22, 23. We get above that and we can make a move to 30. It really needs to get above 35, 37, and this one's off and running again. But this is definitely one that we really like and think it's a great long-term play. Next up is DraftKings, DKNG. just been beaten up, tremendously oversold. Here you got the RSI 1449. It's still oversold conditions. We get above 25. We got smooth sailing to 40. So keep your eye on the $25 level for DKNG. Last up is some cheaper plays. FUBO down 81% off its 52-week highs. This trend line held. We got a nice bounce off the lows on Thursday. I'm going to run into some resistance at 10, but this one has a lot of leg room to rally back, and this is one you definitely should keep your eye on. Next up is BBIG, another oversold play with an RSI of 41. Huge short flow to 31%. FinViz, it shows you the shares float and the percentage that is short. So these are, again, great statistics that will really help make your trading easier and a lot more profitable. We got some trend line resistance at 350, and then we got a moving average at 4, but we get above 4, and this one's really going to squeeze the shorts. And we're going to get that rip your face off type rally that we really like. Last up is STEM, just a $1.38 billion valuation. It's down 76% off the highs. Analysts have a target of $28. Just been really beaten up, along with a lot of small caps, and Barron's was out with an article this weekend that small caps are due to rally. We agree. We think that these markets have just gotten tremendously oversold, tremendously beaten up, and there's a lot of opportunities. And that's why it's so important to become a subscriber at viralstocks.io/signup. This is where we send out full reports to our subscribers detailing where we think the best opportunities are to help you maximize your gains. With that being said, I hope this weekend was helpful. Be sure to go and check out finviz.com and check out, make sure you are sign up with your email and your mobile number at viralstocks.io. I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming live to you Monday after the bell with a new video. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.